Hi traders, it's Christine. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. A little bit introduction about myself. I'm a full-time trader. I have portfolio management. I do swing trade for that. And I do options. This is for my day trades. I do options, which is the basic regular strike. I use the weekly strike, which is a very short. Not here on the video. It's because I do not watch it technical. My approach for that is purely fundamentals. So going back on our topic here for option is 100% pure technical, especially meal, which is a very short time frame, like just a weekly strike. So this is my morning routine scan. Like I do the SPY right here, Netflix, Booking, Amazon, Google, Ulta, Win, CMG, and Nvidia. These are the pretty basic. Get it? So everything is about earnings. Netflix reported last night for their Q2 fiscal year for the earnings and down by 10% right here. And as you can see, Amazon down by 0.5 and Google gapping down as well. As you all know, the FANG, the FANG, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, they kind of like move together. One of them's down. Usually the rest are down too. So looking at Netflix right here, we're not looking very good here because if you've been watching some of my videos, I highlighted Netflix like it's not shaping well because it has a double top at 385. So let's see the 3 months here. You see here the 385, it's a double top. Double top means it's a seller's area that every time it hits the pivot levels there, they're always sellers. And you can see here, this is the 50-day moving average, and on pre-market, we're actually way below that, below this, the 200-day moving average. So we're trading, Netflix is trading below 200-day moving average. And zooming into 3 months, we are here. It's hitting at 6 months low, which is technically bearish. So probably we'd be looking on the support if trading this. I would be looking for support, the 316, which is the after hours low, if I'm correct. 316, and if we break 315, then we could see a 308 today. And going for Amazon Prime Week, it's like sell the news, typical sell the news. If you zoom it right here, you can see lower here. We have a double top right here at 2025. This is a pretty nasty candle, and this we trusted again but failed to close at highs, and then followed by 2 long candles right here, and then keep going down, and now we're down at 20 and 50-day moving average. The next support would be at 1970 right here to even 1960. For me to trade Amazon, oh, that's the 60 minutes. Let's do the daily here. Sorry about that. So here, the double top right here. So the earlier picture, it's 60 minutes. It's still double top. This is double top. You can see here, although higher because this is just a 1%. And then after that, you see it keeps falling back. And this is double top right here. The 2000 and the 2000, this nasty candle right here. Daily moving average, we're still above the 20 here. 20 and 50. The support, it's way here. 1952. I would say this would gap. And Amazon is the typical sell the news event. For those of you who are new, like they have big catalysts, and the day of the catalyst they sell off even though with the good news. So this is the basic. And Google right here, I still like it, Google for long, but it's the killer right here. The 5 days action like this, it's hard to make money on option. Even though you hit the, it's not an assurance you're gonna make money, because how the way the stocks guy rate in the day, that what matters. So probably I would be looking if Netflix keeps going low today. Here is our Netflix trading pre-market below the 200-day moving average, and the 6 months is 320, and then on 1 year frame, I would be looking on this support, like the 310, 308, this area. So how you have to keep our mind open. And right now with Netflix, it could drag along the text, and the booking is on the verge of below 20-day moving average. Although I was bullish on it, I am bullish on it, but the 1900 here is really, you can see, let me zoom it, in the last 10 days. This is double top right here at near 1900, no doubt about it. And this was about 1900 to failure in the last 7 days. Fail to go about 1875, then likely we would test 1850 to 1840 tomorrow. But if it goes back to 1875, well, there's still a chance it can go to 1900. But then again, we have to pulse on Netflix and the S&P 500. This is the S&P 500 right here. And I'm not liking it because 3 days pullback at record high at 301. So we have to keep our minds open, not being super bullish. We need to make money on technicals, not on our opinion of self-bias.